For over 20 years, DI Agricultural Machinery Company Limited has been a trusted name in the farming industry. With a strong commitment to quality and durability, we specialize in manufacturing top-tier agricultural equipment. Our company spans 1,200 square meters of specialized production space, dedicated entirely to delivering reliable machinery for modern agriculture. Our main products include high-performance disc plows and disc harrows, designed to handle tough soil conditions while improving farming efficiency. Backed by 2 decades of hands-on experience, every machine we produce reflects our deep understanding of farmers' needs. Whether you're preparing new land or maintaining existing fields, DI equipment gets the job done. Choose DI, where experience meets innovation.